All right, guys, welcome to Trading with Meatball. We're looking at the Marathon Digital. We saw the Bitcoin moving up overnight. Yes, I share my whole screen. I could care less. And the Bitcoin is moving up. And the Marathon Digital is a Bitcoin mining thing. And, we've been watching it. And we bought into it a few times here. And we did a video on getting stopped out and whatnot. It's good to take profits. And so today we did that. Actually YOLO'd, which you don't ever do, but I'm an old man and I'm scalping to pay my bills, and so we encourage people to sell when it goes up, and so I got it marked with red right here. I loaded up this morning, which I don't like to trade the open, but I saw Bitcoin was moving up overnight, and I made a bet that I could see from the opening that it was a mixed bag, red and green, between the stocks we follow and the markets. And the SPY was up a little bit, but the Fed's talking today. There was PMI numbers 15 minutes after the open. Anything could have happened, but the Bitcoin was moving up overnight. We pay attention to the news, and the Marathon Digital had been moving up, but yesterday it was drifting down at the bottom of one of my zones that I drew. Okay, and so this morning it opens up right around the opening print from yesterday, and it had volume, and I took it. And I actually YOLO'd. And nobody on Twitter cares because the millionaires are posting right now that you can't do this without them. And then you need to be humble. And not me. I mean, I guess they're talking to everybody, but and then they come out with the plug for their Discord for $200 a month on the next post, telling you guys to be careful. You can't do this alone. You can do this alone. You can do it without me and without anybody. And so paying attention to the volume and zooming out to, a 1 hour chart, and make your own decisions. And you can see we didn't have this information. We didn't have this volume. Okay. This morning it looked something maybe like this. This is what we were looking at. All right. So it went up and it's drifting back down. And people were selling yesterday the last 3 hours. Okay. And then this morning she opens up in one of our zones. And we know Bitcoin was moving up last night. And so this thing opened up, and a lot of the stocks I follow were red, and then Mara was up, and so most of them were red except Mara and a couple others. Okay, so we knew this one was going to open green, and the Bitcoin had been moving up overnight, and so right at the bang at the open, man, they come in with the volume. And when it started forming the second green candle, I actually loaded. I took a little piece and then I loaded on the second candle, and it was still in my red zone right here. I said, that's it. They're going to do it. And they did. And so I put a stop loss in and sold some. And then we sold the rest of it and basically up in here near the top of my red zone. I sold some here and then the rest of it went off here, and it'll go higher. That's fine. I'm not trying to triple my money every time I trade. If I actually posted on Twitter, we loaded, and I'm thanking my ladies here. Okay, I didn't do this by myself. Nobody cares, guys. The responses were, the ladies said thank you for thanking them, but everybody else is like, buy my Discord, and you can't do this alone. And that's the post that I saw today. And if you hit big today, you were lucky. And guys, you can do this by yourself. You can. Okay, this is a 20-day moving average. The volume's coming in. We drew this zone and it's spiking up. The Bitcoin was moving overnight. We had all the signals. The IWM was a good play this morning, and the Rivian was a good play. We posted a video 5 minutes ago on the Rivian, and it was like coming up in here. And sure enough, she kept going after I posted the video. So if somebody got that video 5 minutes ago, kudos to you, man. And go watch that because we talked about how we did the Rivian. All right, guys, I hope you get them. Good luck to you. And you can do this. Don't listen to anybody that tells you that you can't learn how to do this. You can. Go take their lunch money, damn it.